Good morning. I got happy mail from Beth. This is Teresa. So, I'm unboxing a beautiful happy mail from Beth. She sent me ribbons. She knows I'm a ribbonaholic. Some beautiful trim. More beautiful trim. Oh, look at all these beautiful trims. Oh my goodness, Beth. These are gorgeous. Look at this. Yeah, I'm trying to learn, y'all, how to do this. It's that beautiful ribbon. Oh, wow. I'm going to have some fun with this. and more stuff to go in my Christmas stuff. Oh, my goodness. Sharon's going to love it. Look at this. Oh, Sharon's going to be so... Oh, look. Oh, for my Christmas tree. Oh, look at that. That's going to be so gorgeous on there. Oh, look at this little bird. Oh, my goodness. I'm throwing things at myself. I'm throwing things at me. Oh, look at this. Sharon's going to be so happy. Sharon's going to be tickled to pieces. She's going to have some things to play with, too. I got to glue his tail back on. His tail come off. Oh, that's okay. I'll put his tail back on. I don't have a problem with that. But look, Sharon. Look, we got Let It Snow.
Oh,
and look, a gingerbread. Oh, let me turn him back up. There he is. See? Isn't that cute? We got some napkins. These is from Beth. Oh, and look at the yarn. Oh, look at that. Yes. Look at all these pretty trims she sent to us.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Look at these birds. She told me these were her mama's.
Oh, those.
See, I got this little soft toothbrush here, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put maybe a little bit of baby oil or something, not much because I don't want it oily, just enough to straighten out, you know.
Yeah.
But look at these. Are they not beautiful?
Oh, yeah.
To put on my tree? Oh my goodness.
Are you filming this?
I am. See, I'm filming it. I'm hoping to and aren't they gorgeous? She told me these were her mother's. And I'm so tickled because, you know, I got a new Christmas tree this year. And I'm going to put my birds on my tree. Look at this. Aren't they gorgeous?
Yes.
I haven't, y'all, and more trims. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? But I haven't opened it. It just came at 20 till 7 in the morning. My postman come running up here and shoved it in my mailbox. 20 minutes till 7, y'all. Look at these birds. Are they not gorgeous? And when I get that and get them dusted and straighten, the feathers straightened and put them on my tree, they're going to be so beautiful on my tree. Don't y'all think? Yeah. Oh, she sent me a whole box of birds.
Yes, she did.
Look at this. Some of them with their wings up. Look at these. Don't you think that'll be beautiful on my white tree on there?
Yeah.
That's going to be gorgeous on my white tree. I know I've got to clean them and stuff like that. I imagine her mother used them for many years.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you don't find these anymore. You don't find these anymore. Are they not gorgeous? And I think if I take some of my sea salt and I place these in a bag, it cleans them. You shake them gently in a bag, it cleans them like it does flowers. And so I think I'm going to try and see if it'll clean these too, because look at this. They are so gorgeous, and they'll be on my tree year after year. And guess what? They'll be on my granddaughter's trees years after years after years. So they won't go anywhere. They will be handed down from generation to generation. That's the truth. See, and that can be a pick in my tree now. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Can't see it if I hold it way up there, can you? So, look at that.
Your new camera is so good.
Yeah, it's doing real good. I had to break down and get me a new one because, you know, every time I got online with Beth and all, my camera would just poof, and it wouldn't let me get back online. So they they would just keep right on going. Look at this.
Girl, that whole tree gonna be birds. You gotta secure the whole
Look at
tree.
that. Well, I got little trees too.
Oh yeah.
So I got the little tree over there that some of them can go on.
Oh, my
But look at
goodness.
these. When I get this out and I get it to going, see, I already know I've got to fix a few of them, and that's great. That's fine with me. I can do it
Yeah.
and everything. And I told her, I said, I don't want your mom's stuff, but I do. But I wanted her to be able to keep her mom's thing. She said, I got a box of birds. I won't ever use them all. So here's, look at this. It's just standing there looking at you. I kid you not, ever since my husband passed away, my yard has have so many redbirds in it. Oh, look at this one. It's got a little black face on it. Isn't that cute?
So she just wanted somebody who would enjoy them and would
Well,
cherish
I
them like she did.
I definitely will. I definitely will. And as soon as I get them straightened up and cleaned up, get them on my tree, I will video it. I do need to go and find me some Christmas lights for my tree now, so that I can put lights on it, because it's supposed to be a one of those trees that light up all by itself, not pre-lit, but it's an incandescent tree. But my house doesn't do well with incandescent, so my living room is very dark. It's just the way that it is, because there's a carport over one, a lean-to is what we call it. It's not really a carport. A lean-to over one window and a room blocking the other one, so there's no sunlight that goes to my living room. So anyway, thank you all. Thank you, Beth, for doing this. I sure do appreciate it. I love every bird. And as soon as I get them cleaned up and put on my tree, I'm going to video it. I'm going to show y'all a quick trip around my Christmas tree. Thank you, Beth, so much. I love you, girl. Bye.